honesty, we were talking about this next Valentine's story, which will come after the weather,
This is the
which
Bricks one.
technically is more important. There is active weather going on right now. Not quite at storm center level, but we are at Hanging with Holt metrics.
I guess that's
so
first
let's get to
time.
that.
Yeah. Just got a text from my father-in-law. He's in Ocean Park. He said, hey, the snow is a little less fluffy. It's more wet.
Okay.
So that's what we're expecting with this, and that has to do with the ratios. A lot of the snow we've had over the last month has had a higher ratio with it, so it's been fluffier, lighter, and it's accumulated to a lot more. This map just shows the liquid equivalent to the snow that we're going to get, and liquid-wise, if it were rain, it would be between about 1/4 and 3/4 of an inch of rain, but this is snow, and we're thinking we're going to be somewhere in the neighborhood of 10-to-1 or 12-to-1 on the ratio, which is more of a standard ratio. It's not going to be as much with respect to the fluff factor, and that's somewhat in agreement with what our snow map is calling for with respect to snow totals. So the snow is starting to move in from west to east. It's into central Maine, about to get into the Bangor area right now. And the clipper that's helping to get this snow going is now in northern New York. That low will continue to move across the state tonight, as will that big shield of rain. And it will be snowy around the midnight hour for just about everybody, but western Maine will finish with the snow overnight, probably 2 or 3 in the morning, while eastern and northern Maine continue into early tomorrow morning. And we're all going to wake up with several inches of snow on the ground as the sun comes up. So wouldn't be surprised if there are a few delays here and there with schools and things like that. Tomorrow in the afternoon and evening, this little trough axis hangs back from the low. That'll be to our east, and that'll be the focal point for continued scattered showers in down east Maine before everything exits into Thursday. So Thursday's a lot quieter. We're just going to be drying up with respect to the snow that is to come. Again, 3 to 6 inches of snow for most. We are expecting a longer duration snow chance for down east, and that's why we have those totals at 6 to 8 inches there. And it's just really the difference is that it's going to conclude earlier in western Maine, hence the lower totals. Winter weather advisories for everybody, with the exception being down east Maine. That's where the winter storm warnings are, and that's where the highest snow totals are forecast to be. So Portland, for example, we're ending around 2 or 3 in the morning, and then we won't accumulate anything else, around 5 inches or so. Bar Harbor area down east continues accumulating overnight and into tomorrow morning, and you see how those totals start to stack up. 2 to 4 foot seas tomorrow, 38 on the sea surface temps in the Gulf of Maine. Quieter Thursday, Friday, with more sun on Friday. Valentine's Day, a chance for some light snow showers. I don't think anything significant. I think way less than what we're going to see tonight. And also of note, the temperature outlook, we are staying pretty close to the middle 30s, if not 40 by this time next week. So not as cold of an outlook. And I was looking at just some of the historical data, and it's still the coldest today, at least through February the 9th it was that I looked. It's the coldest since 30 years ago in Portland, since 1996. But this forecast, probably we're not gonna be setting those higher. Like it's the averages are gonna come up with the current forecast we've got.
Well, I'm excited for those 40-degree days. That is basically spring. That's at this point.
I was walking by some people and they were like,
probably in
it might as well be spring. They verbally were expressing this, but they went as far as to say, I got to go mow the grass.